Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at inserting signatures automatically into Word documents. Now to be able to do this, you're going to need a signature. So what I've done is signed a signature using a black pen on a white sheet of paper. You want to use something like a Sharpie or a fairly thick pen to do that and make your signature pretty big. Take a photograph of it and then send that to your computer using your email software or some other method that you use to get photos from your phone to your computer. Now, once you've done that, I suggest you use this particular website, which is imagictools.com. I'm going to give you the link in the description below. The reason why I like this site is it lets you remove the background from your signature file and save it as what is called a PNG file. Now, most other sites will allow you to remove backgrounds and save the file as a JPG. The problem with that is that it's going to have a white background, and that's going to sit over the top of any signature line you might have in your document. So I prefer this site because it's free and it lets you save your file as a PNG file, so there is no background, and so the signature will sit over the top of a signature line and not block it out. So once you're in the site, you're going to click here on background remover, and you're just going to click here and then upload your image. Now, my images are in a folder called signature file. You can see that I've got one with a very dark background and one that I have edited so it's got a light background. In fact, this site does really well even with pretty awful photos. I have cropped my image, and that's a really good idea if you possibly can. If you can't, don't worry, it's not a big deal. You're going to wait as your image file is uploaded to this website. And then you're going to click to remove the background. Now my conversion is complete. I'm not getting a look at the file at this stage. I'm not really worried about that. I'm just going to click on conversion complete, and I'm going to click here on the download link. I'm going to click here on the download link. Now I'm in my signature files folder again, and you can see here that the file type is a PNG. That's the option that you are given. So I'm just going to call this signature.png and just click save. Now once that's done, you can close up the browser, closing that website, and switch across to Microsoft Word. Now to insert a signature file into Microsoft Word, you can just go up here to the Insert option and choose Pictures. Now my signature is on this device, so I'll click this device. I'm going to open the PNG one. Make sure that you open the PNG one, that's really important, and click Insert. And this is the signature file. Now there are a couple of other options that you have, and one is that Microsoft Word actually has an Insert Signature option. So you can go to Insert, and over here is a signature line option. So you can just click to set up a signature line. So I'm going to do that for this person. So the name is Jane Doe. The suggested title is, for example, their manager. And I'm just going to click OK. And then I can place the signature over the signature line, but I will need to move it because right now the default option for Microsoft Word is in line with text. So this signature is being treated like a letter A, B, C, or whatever. And so it's just pushing everything else out of the way. We're going to need to choose one of these options, in front of text or behind text. I'm going to choose in front of text. And now I can just size the signature to the right size and just place it over the signature line. And so that's now inserted into the document. Now, if this was something that I wanted to use repeatedly, I could actually save the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is go and select everything, and I'm going to make this a quick part. So again, on the Insert tab, I'm going here to Quick Parts, and then I'm going to choose here Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. And so what I'm going to call this is Jane Doe Signature. And I can just click OK. Now, in future, this signature is going to be available to any document by clicking on the Insert tab here, going across to Quick Parts and just clicking on the signature, and that will just insert the signature into your document. Now, you can do that with or without the signature line. If you just want to save the signature by itself so that you could put it in something else that didn't require a signature line, you could do that. Just insert the picture into the document, select it, and go and make a Quick Part object just for that particular image. This stuff is really simple to do. Once you've made your signature and removed the background, you never have to do it again. So once it's done and set up, it's just automatic. So there's the process for getting a signature, removing the background, downloading it, importing it into Microsoft Word. And of course that signature will be available to other applications. So if you need it, for example, into a PDF or something like that, it will be accessible to you. Just make sure you save it to a sensible place where you can find it whenever you need it again. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.